Replacing the battery in your Cadillac XTS key fob is a simple DIY task. The XTS key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob case, typically held together by plastic clips. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the marking in the fob. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test by pressing the buttons to confirm the LED lights up. Tips and considerations for XTS key fob battery replacement. Always use a quality CR2032 battery for optimal performance. Avoid short-circuiting the battery contacts during replacement. If possible, ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the circuit board. A dim LED or failure to remotely start the vehicle are common signs of a low battery. Consider recycling the old battery at a local recycling center or through programs like Call to Recycle. While smart key fobs with advanced features are emerging, the XTS fob remains straightforward. DIY replacement is recommended by experts and statistically preferred by XTS owners for its ease and cost-effectiveness. Regular battery replacement every 2 to 4 years ensures reliable key fob functionality.